Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this particular video is on ticker symbol SI, which is for Silvergate. And if you are following this particular sector or this stock, you should know that that stock was really high, $200, $100, $16. Even like 1 month before, it was around like $14. It came down. So many things are happening. And now it is very volatile. Last Friday, it was up 52%. If you look at last 5 days, it was down a lot. So very volatile. So if you are playing this particular stock, you should know that it is a volatile stock. If you're day trading, just get in, get out, make some money, because things are happening. Whenever some news coming, this thing is moving based on the news. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the support, resistance, short interest, and few other things, and hopefully you will like this particular video. In that case, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So first of all, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the price action. You can see that it has moved from $1.1 all the way to $2. 100% move. Actually, it came down, but still it is up 52%. So some of us actually played that. We also played few other stock like TRMA from the market open to high. It was 22% move. BRDS, you can see open to the high of the day, 13%. POXD 11%. So we have been making money, and if you're following my stock channel, you know how we are making. We're also playing options, 28% to 94. Anyway, so if you want to join my community, just go to Patreon. The link will be in the first comment. Go there, join my Patreon, and get access to my Discord. Okay, so let's talk about ticker symbol SI. Before that, few other things. If you look at the volume now, you can see that the volume is really high, 139 million. The day prior was only 5 million. So suddenly lots of volume came. And this stock always had high short interest. Look at the yellow line here. The short interest was around 75-77%. It was always high. Then the price was coming down, and all the shorts we had, they had covered. But still, the short interest is 53%. It's really high. In last 7 days, the short interest actually came down a little bit. In last 2 weeks, came down a little bit. It makes sense because the stock price was around $25, $30, $25, $20, let's say. From there it came to $1, so shorts are covering. Okay, but it's still 53% is a lot. So whenever you will see lots of volume coming, this thing can run. Cost to borrow is not bad, 45%. Okay, now let's talk about the price action. Okay, so first of all, if you know about this sector or this particular stock, you know that that stock was really high. It was around $100, $75, and recently we played these couple of times. You can see that from $13-14 it went to 25. We played that, made some money. It came down again. Some short seller came, they talked about some bad things. The stock came down again. It pushed all the way towards $24. Then it came down again, and you know, like the crypto thing, so many things happening. Then they talked about that they will liquidate. Then they talked about a share offering for $5 per share. So many things happening. I'm not going and tracking, but if you want, you can go and always check like why this thing was coming down. Anyway, looking at the price action, look at the daily chart. It was coming down. Then finally we had a green day. So if I go to a 1 hour chart now, you can see how this thing is moving. It was trying to hold this 2.17 area, but at the same time it was making lower high. At one point it broke that 2.2 area. You can see broke and came down. Once it was broken, it tried to break 2.2, but you see so many rejection, came down all the way, almost like $1, 1.05. Then due to some talks and news, that thing actually ran yesterday, and see where it got rejected again. 2.2, that thing was the resistance before, again it was rejected. Now in terms of day trading, how we can play, because if you look at the 3-minute chart, see how this thing moving. The EMA cloud I have, normally what I use is an EMA cloud, and on my Discord actually we have a learning channel, and we talked about different things. So I have many videos on how to draw support, resistance, stop loss, EMA cloud, so many things, but this is a good one, right? You can see that it went up all the way to 1.38, came down and bounced off that cloud. So it was a good indication that that price is holding. Then it pushed again from there, came down, but it never broke this EMA cloud. It was just within the cloud, again pushed all the way towards 2.1, then came a little bit, tried again, 2.2 was the prior resistance, and finally gave up. Now we have to see, can it hold? If I see this particular line, you can see the 1.6. Let me draw the line here, 1.6. That's the line. It held, 10:40 on Friday. Again after hour it was held 1.6. Now if you see after hour, what is the price action now? 1.68, meaning that we are still over this 1.6. So that 1.6 could be a potential entry, because if it holds, it can move again towards $2. The other entry, I would say, let me draw the line. You will see why these lines matter and why technicals matter. Last time some kind of rejection here, again it came and bounced from there, right? So 1.25, so 1.6, 1.25, these are the two areas I want you to keep an eye. On the other hand, if it can break this 2.2, it has some room all the way towards 2.6. Okay, 2.6, 2.8 and 3. It has lots of room. It's a short squeeze stock. It moved 100% last Friday. Again, if volume comes, high short interest, this thing can run. Especially I think if it can go over 2.2, all the shorts who might be shorting here, they will be trapped, they will try to cover. So keep an eye on this particular stock SI. Don't forget the ticker symbol. Also, I made another video on TRKA. That thing also popped big last Friday, so go to my playlist and check that particular video as well. Also, if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos. At the same time, I would say if you want to join my community, get access to my Discord for stock, swing trade, options, and so many different things we have, even for the learning and educational stuff. Just go there, you spend 15 to 20 bucks per month, 50 cents per day, and you can get access to my Discord. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.